सर मुरली सर आगे मुरली सर आगे या प्लीज ओके आइए बेटा आइए आइए आइए
Yes, I think he had written on the room service. I just write it on the first page.
Why haven't you?
8 minutes. I sent his Aadhaar also.
Only the water is there. It's like just.
You have paper or something? T-shirt पे
हाँ टी शर्ट पे
बाद में ले लेना कोई बात नहीं.
टी शर्ट पे ले लो
बाद में ले लेना.
टी शर्ट कुछ नहीं गिर रहा है मतलब स्केच करा दे
बाद में ले लेना.
पेन करा दे ये पीछे ये सर अरे सुशील आगे से मत जा अरे आगे मत जा आगे से मत जा पिया रुक जा अरे रुक जा मेन शॉट है
थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ.
चलो चलो उधर चलो इधर जगह कम है जगह छोटा है
अंदर कर लो क्या अंदर?
फोटो में जाते और रितेश भाई यहाँ पे जस्ट फॉर विजुअल ओनली
Bat. Somebody bat then I will. That side.
Falling from that side. Mikey side, please. Go to side.
हाँ
Sorry.
अरे क्या बॉलिंग है एक नंबर बॉलिंग अरे एक नंबर बॉलिंग अरे क्या बात है
Let the ball. They will get hurt.
ये 6 अरे आउट क्या बात है एक नंबर
हल्का जी. दीजिए बैठ दीजिए बैठ. बॉल. Sir, on this too. Well, बैठ. सर यहाँ पे यहाँ पे.
एक मिनट हाइट एक मिनट रुक जा लाइट भी कट कर रहा है यार
पूरा सबके विजुअल में आ गया आपका. सर ऑन दिस. भाई हाथ रख के
सबको मिलेगा फुटेज थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ.
भाई
तुम दोनों क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो?
With photographers you played today.
Yeah. So I enjoyed that. Unfortunately, the rain has. I spent more time because it's raining. Because you couldn't play. But I enjoyed. I know you're all big fans of cricket. So I'm there here to just came and enjoy with yourself. Unfortunately, it's raining. Sorry about that.
Right. Also, sir, how was your experience today? And they have played very well, the batting and all. So, how you enjoyed and tell us about that.
Yeah, they see all young people. They played well. Okay, so they all want to be all Indians like cricket. They want to be like some cricketer, right? These opportunities only come for few people, but you all enjoying. So this I know in a mall having like this also something special because in our country we don't have like this.
Sir, lastly, 800 is coming. How was your response and what compliments you are getting from trailer itself? Because Sachin sir was there, Jai Surya sir was there. How was
I
it?
think 800 film is my life story and it is beyond cricket. Cricket is little bit and a lot of what happened through that 20 years of period, how I achieved and everything. And this movie's trailer is very good. So it's going to be a very good movie and it's coming in 4 languages and hopefully all of North from Hindi people who can see this and enjoy themselves. And for the younger generation, it will inspire because of the reason that when you have a lot of problems and with that never give up and try to achieve something and that is the way the movie is all about. And from this, not only cricketers, any sport, anything you do in life, younger generation, it will get a good inspiration from this movie.
Any best wishes you would like to give because World Cup is around the corner and the Team India and all the teams are playing. Any best wishes you would like to give?
Yeah, because after 2011, India has won the World Cup in India soil, so they have another opportunity. India is ranked as the favorites for this tournament. I think your public support and the luck is come, and India have a good chance.
Have you watched any film in theatre recently?
Yeah. I have watched. Not in Mumbai, but I've watched a lot of movies in Chennai because my wife is from Chennai, so I used to go. The latest movie I watched in Sri Lanka is Jawan.
Okay.